What's up, everybody? Gergen Sports Cards here. We're gonna be opening up another box of 2018-19 Panini Court Kings basketball. 2 autographs per box. All the cards that get opened out of this box are gonna be on site at gergensportscards.net. I'm actually at home for the day. Got my son here. He's gonna be kind of helping me opening this box up. You want to say hi? There's a little hand for all you viewers out there. If you want to say hi, leave a comment. Just say hi, Dominic, in the comments. Like, subscribe. So it's gonna be 2 autographs per box. 1 pack per box. Again, all the cards that get opened up will go on gergensportscards.net. Flat rate shipping. Box empty. All right, so card number 1 is Anthony Davis. Got Trevor Ariza. TJ Warren for Phoenix. DeAndre Ayton for the Suns. That is points in the paint insert. Next up, portraits. Dennis Smith Jr. Hit number 1. Big hit. Very nice hit right there. Trae Young autograph, fresh paint. And that is numbered 18 out of 99. Next hit, Omer Caspi for the Grizzlies hard court signatures. That one's numbered 149. Derrick Rose, Renaissance Men insert. Another Amari Spellman for Atlanta rookie, and rookie Luka Doncic. So if you guys saw my last video, Court Kings, my last box didn't go too well. This one, heck of a lot better. There's Luka, rookie. Trae Young, rookie. And high court signatures, Caspi. So again, hits will be on gergensportscards.net. Stay tuned for more videos. Like, subscribe. Again, my name is Eric. I got my kid Dominic. You want to say goodbye to everybody?
Goodbye.
All right. Well, like, subscribe again. Leave a comment. Say hi to Dominic. Thanks for watching.